Hey everyone, I'm Melanie from Streamlined Legal, where we help law firms get the most out of their practice management software. Tonight's message is simple, but sometimes difficult to heed. The message tonight is don't be afraid of your software, right? Give it a try. Dive right in, try a few things out. The real honest truth is until you try some of these things, you won't know what your preferences are or how you prefer things to be done or how you want to do things or how you want to set things up. Sometimes it takes some getting used to the software and learning what the capabilities are in order to do that. So we work with a lot of firms that are just setting up Clio or just setting up Clio Grow or Lawmatics. And a lot of times they're very tempted to build the whole thing out before they ever start using it. And sometimes I think that's doing yourself a disservice because, again, I feel like a lot of times until you've actually tried the software or taken it for a test drive or like used it on real cases and real scenarios, you may not even know everything that you want or everything that you're trying to accomplish. And so I would highly recommend that if you have a software like this and you've been kind of timid or shy or concerned or worried about jumping in, I would encourage you not to be. And I get it. Sometimes we've had some bad experiences, right? Sometimes we've had some disasters even. I think those are much more likely to happen, by the way, in the billing arena. But if we're talking about things like tasks and we're talking about things like document automation, those are the kind of things that you can venture into a little bit at a time, right? If you are, for example, trying to put into place Clio Grow, make sure that you're putting in your contacts and creating your matters and tracking them across that Kanban board. That's one of the easiest places to start, right? You don't have to use all the document automation. You don't have to use all the checklists. You don't have to use everything in there, but that's a great place to start. Same with Clio Manage. If you're putting in contacts and creating matters, that's a great place to start. And don't wait, because what'll happen is years will go by, right? You'll be talking about how, I'm going to get to that one day. I'm going to get to that one day. And now it's a couple years later and you're wondering why you never got to that. So definitely I would encourage you to dive in. There really, there are things that can be made a mess of, right? We see that a lot, but there's not usually anything that can't be fixed or can't be changed or can't be updated, right? Short of deleting things, usually they can be adjusted, they can be changed. So I don't want people to sit there and think, well, I'm just not going to do it until it's all set up, because a lot of times you're going to lose a lot of benefit by waiting for that perfect time, because guess what? The perfect time may never come. And so I want to make sure that you're getting the benefit out of this software and that you're taking the opportunity to explore around and see how it fits your practice style and your team. So if you need any help exploring Clio Grow, or Automatics, please feel free to check out the rest of the videos on our YouTube page or give us a call. We'd love to help you. Have a great evening. Thanks so much.